In this video, we are going to unbox the new Meta Quest 3S. As you can see, the box is very similar to the previous Meta Quest 3. However, the box inside has a different opening. Inside the box, you can find the holder for the glasses, as well as the cable and the power supply. You will also find two controllers and the Meta Quest 3S. As you can see here, the Meta Quest 3S looks very similar to the Meta Quest 3 in terms of the design, the color. However, it has some buttons positioned differently, but overall the design is pretty similar. You have the same white band at the top, the black foam and the white front. In the box you also have the controllers, and also here the controllers are very similar to the Meta Quest 3. In some ways, you can say that the Meta Quest 3S is very similar to the Meta Quest 3 aesthetically, and this includes also the controllers. However, the Meta Quest 3S comes with different cameras at the front compared to the Meta Quest 3, and it doesn't have a depth sensor. The type of lenses is also different, and also the resolution. The resolution is actually higher in the Meta Quest 3 compared to the Meta Quest 3S. But of course, the price is cheaper for the Meta Quest 3S. That's pretty much what is in the box. If you want to know more about Meta Quest 3S, click on one of these videos.